ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি কেইটামান কাৰেক্ট টেন্স আলোচনা কৰিম fill in the correct verb formটো আমি correct form আমি লিখিব লাগে fill in the blanks first question is each time we dash home verb form is return each time we return home RETURNED each time we return home next question is father is not at home he dash out and verb form is go ইয়াত হ'ব has gone out father is not at home he has gone out I wish I dash you help you দিয়া আছে I ইয়াত verb form can দিয়া আছে এটো হ'ব could I wish I could help you next question is if I dash you I should not accept the post at be দিয়া আছে verb form to if I were you ho if I were you I should not accept the post we two dash friends for long we two a verb form dia ase be we two have been friends ho we two have been friends for long next question is she dash in this school since 1990 work verb form dia ase work eto present perfect continuous hobo যেটো কামটো এতিয়ালৈকে চলি আছে গতিকে এটো have she has been working hobo she has been working in this school since 1990 next question is when he started for office it is still rain dia ase it still was raining hobo yat he here until you return yat stay dia ase verb form to yat hobo he will stay here until you return when he came it all over a verb form dia ase be when he came it etu hobo was hobo it was all over 10 years passed since I met you last 10 years etu hobo have passed hobo 10 years have passed since I met you last they in Delhi for 10 years live dia ase etu hobo present perfect continuous hobo they have been living hobo they have been living in Delhi for 10 years she died after she dash for 5 years there is a suffer etu hobo she died after she had suffered hobo had suffered for 5 years hurry up the taxi wait likha ase the taxi is waiting hobo I wish I accept the job likha ase I wish I etu hobo I had accepted I wish I had accepted the job the match dash before we reach the field yat start dia ase the match had started hobo yat the bus usually here at 6 o'clock yat arrive dia ase the bus usually arrives hobo the bus usually arrives here at 6 o'clock you unless you work harder yat dia ase fail you will fail hobo you will fail unless you work harder. I write this letter since morning. Write দিয়া আছে verb form to. I have been writing হ'ব. I have been writing this letter since morning. You this English for 6 years now. You learn দিয়া আছে. এতিয়ালৈকে কামটো চলি আছে এটো হ'ব you have been learning হ'ব. He this for Europe last Friday. At leave দিয়া আছে এটো present past indefinite হ'ব. He left for Europe last Friday. The rose yeah they say smell sweet. The rose smells হ'ব. The rose smells sweet. She behaves as if she know everything দিয়া আছে এটো হ'ব she knew হ'ব. She behaves as if she knew everything.